Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to collect all Microsoft Bing rewards point, and we are going to solve all the quizzes and all the points so you can know how much points you can earn today. Let's start. So you can see I already earned 45 points. For first we can collect 10 points just going on this link, and you can see I guess 10 points should be okay. So here 10 points I already got. First question is this. So let's answer this quiz. I guess some problem is going on here. Let's try again. Okay, the quiz is not showing right now, so we will try this later. Let's try daily poll. Okay, leap year. So okay, whatever. I guess this should show here 10 points. Okay, 10 points. I got 10 points and no quiz here. I don't know what's going on. Maybe some bug or maybe something else. So here I collected this point. This is showing, and let's try again. I hope, yeah, that okay, the bug is fixed. So first quiz is okay. I will try this. Okay, the answer is when did like Beckham. Another Adam Sandler. Okay, done. Magic show done. I guess this done, and 400 million next. Okay, his father. Okay, next. Eva Longoria's flaming hot. I guess two streaming services. Get your score, and okay, we got 10 more points. Nice. They showed here. Now I already saw the quit and 100 points here. Okay, we got. We did. Okay, soon I guess this will upload. Okay, just click on this link and you will get some 10 points around, I guess so. Okay, 100 points here we collected, 10 points here. Okay, 10 points here. Okay, we collected, I guess so. Gray seal probability. Okay, done on this day. Okay, done. Okay, start earning. Browser efficiency. Okay, this is also done. Plan your next trip. Show me where should I go, or not right now. I don't want to try this. You can see just one click I'm collecting all the points. Okay, search. I already downloaded, so I don't need. So okay, bonus point. Bing app. I will download after some time. So I'm okay. Closing all the tabs. So let's reload this and see how much points we collected in this few minutes. Okay, here is 100 plus point something else. So let's try this. Okay, set the goal. Let's set some goals. Okay, set as goal. It should update. Okay, updated. So okay, 100 point by searching. Don't worry, I will search it. Okay, let's question. Okay, now quiz time. 1 2 3 4 quizzes. Let's close all. Start searching. Okay, I'll search this later, and let's close this. Okay, close. So quiz time. So first quiz, I guess second quiz is here. Let's try this. Okay, this and that. Corrupt your enthusiasm. I guess all the family. I don't know what was the right answer. Saffron, Sesame Street. I don't know. Okay, good luck. Let's try again. Madman. I think Madman is, or let's go with Living Colors. Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. I got color. Okay, Downtown Abbey, Twin Peaks. What? Downtown Abbey. I guess. Oh my God. So I can try. You can go back and use again. The page will load, and you can just collect this. So if you are you use wrong answer, or if you miss some mistake, just go back and try again. That will be show up. I guess Simpson. I guess Colombo. I guess Simpson. Okay, I did a wrong again. Let's go back and correct that. Okay, Colombo is the correct answer here. So 2096. So if you are doing this, don't do this mistake again. Okay, Friends or StarTech. StarTech is older than Friends, so this should be, yeah, right. Okay, 1996, 1966. Oh my God. So The Wire or the Saturday Night Live. Okay, I guess we can Google search this, है ना? No. Oh my God. Okay, wrong answer. Saturday Night Live is a correct answer. We go back and fix our questions. I already choose the wrong questions, so let's do it again. Okay, Games of Thrones or Lost. I guess Lost is older. No. Games of Thrones is probability. Games of Thrones. Oh my God. I did again go back and fix my mistake. Lost. I don't know. Lost is because looks like 2004. I thought Games of Thrones is older than. I don't know. I didn't watch any web series. X Files, that Twilight Zone. Files, fuck Twilight Zone. Okay, so if you are doing this, do not make these mistakes which I made. I made this for you so that you can. The Golden Girls. I don't know, but I tried this. This actually worked. Okay, 50 points. Next, 10 more points. Let's try. Okay, according to the American Kennel Club, which dog is America's top breed? I guess French Bulldog. Yeah, nice. Trash is piling up, which is world capital because it's garbage collected have joined in strike. I guess I heard like Paris. Yeah, nice. Okay, K-pop. This I know. They are virtual characters. Next question. Signature Bank of New York closed by regulators following a similar shutdown last week. Okay, this I know. Valley Bank. Next. Okay, British rock guitar. I don't know, but he's a king, so probability is queen. Yeah, haha, nice, very nice. Next, the U.S. surveillance drone was involved in accident in Russian fighter jet. Ukraine or Alaska. Black Sea is I guess a ship. Probability the Black Sea. Shanghai or Shanghai, no, not Shanghai. Shanghai airport reclaimed in the best. I guess I heard about this in Singapore. Okay, nice. Three more questions. Right now, Nike says it's no longer use the material when manufacturing in shoes. Rubber without rubber is impossible to make shoes or foam they can use. Probability is kangaroo skins because they won't harm animal anymore. Maybe let's do this. And oh, nice. Okay. Ocean water off the coast of Florida. Field oil beam jellyfish. Jellyfish and whales are natural. They already found oil and jellyfish. Seaweed is rare, so let's use this. If we are wrong, we will go back and try again. Oh, nice. Oh my god, 9 by 10 correct answers. So, which team is the largest fine in NASCAR history over alleged road violation during recent race? I don't know. I will choose a. Oh my god, this is amazing. I literally know, matlab, I don't know some questions, so I got 10 by 10. That's crazy. Let's collect this point. Okay, 10 more points, boys. Okay. Let's reload this and see how many points we got. Okay, 275 points. So when around 200 points we got, and let's claim 100 more points. This should be 300. Okay, they maybe update later. I got 35 into 50. Okay, let's go. Two more quizzes. Okay, Rebirth, start playing. I know this answer. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah. Yes. I know this answer. Ice cream. Okay. Mona Lisa is a painting. Head of creation is painting. I don't know about this, but this is a. Let's choose this, Jonah. Okay, correct. I was confused in this, but okay, nice. Supersonic quiz. Let's try this. Okay, I guess I can answer these. Okay, Amsterdam, Las Vegas. Okay, keep going, and done. Okay, this can I answer? Boeing 447 is confirmed. 77 is confirmed. Airbus. I don't know about Airbus. I'm confused about Airbuses. Let's choose this. Okay, here is confusion. 330 is name uses 440 passengers. This is crazy. Boeing NG. This may be, but I guess this should be, but they're confusing. Okay, 330. If 330 have a 404 capacity, then they should be 853 passengers. They almost doubled. Okay, nice. Okay, 340. Maybe this should be. Okay. Correct answers. Okay, very nice. Very well. Plan. Amy Johnson. Nice. I'm not Anthony Forker. Okay. If we see pattern here, this should be okay. So looks like very wow. Yeah, very nice. Okay. Peacock throne stolen. Nice. Let's collect all the points. Reload. Okay. We collect 400 something points today. Let's 10 more points and rap speed questions and daily poll again. Let's try more like okay. Only these things are pending. These three. The poll is already closed. So why I'm watching this previous? Because probability this. Okay. Let's try this. What the fuck? Idiotic. White is or magnetic? I at starting I thought this is not true, but this seems true. Oh my god, this is crazy. Which character is mascot for a breakfast cereal? Poppin' Fresh. What the? Okay, Mr. Peanut. Oh my god. Okay, probably Wheaties. Okay, we are going to brute force this. Shredded wheat. Okay, the correct answer is shredded wheat. We got 30 more points. Okay, so here are some things you should know about these reward points. So first of only all if you answer the wrong question, everything you will get the points. But if you if you choose wrong answer in this or that, it will cut your point. So make sure you answer this correct so that you don't lose points. As I lost 15 points here, and some points you can claim, and you should be okay. You should be early for these polls, okay? Because this don't work if you come late like me tonight, and I'm trying to collect some points. From tomorrow I will collect point early so that can so I can't miss any point. So and you will get daily update. So if you like this video, then please subscribe. I will provide more answers tomorrow, and I will try to use two accounts so that I don't miss any wrong answers. Okay, so subscribe and like video. We will meet tomorrow with more points. Then good night.